Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to create and download a beautiful invitation card using Canva, step by step. It's super easy, completely customizable, and perfect for birthdays, parties, or any event. Let's get started. Go to the Canva homepage. Click on the Invitations option. Now, you'll see a variety of invitation templates. Choose any design you like. I'm clicking on this one. Next, click on Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. Once the template is open, click on the text option to edit the wording. You can type anything you want. For example, I'm writing 15/7 here for the date. If you'd like to change colors, fonts, or images, you can easily do that too. Canva makes everything super simple to customize. After you finish designing your invitation, it's time to download it. Click on the Share button in the top right corner. Then click on Download and press Download again. Your invitation card will be ready and downloaded in just a few seconds. And that's it. That's how you can quickly create and download an invitation card in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what Canva tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.